In Australia, I'm at a place called Harmony Tower Hill in a little town called Koroit. I think that's how you say it, in Victoria, out of Warrnambool. I'm up here to do a safety presentation for Bigger, and I think it's going to be great. But this place is an old school that's been converted into accommodation. There's 6 rooms. I've got room 2. I'll take you for a little tour. Doesn't take long, but I'm telling you now, what a place to stay, and how ingenious is this? This used to be an old school grounds. These are the, what do you want to call it, like the decking of the unit. A little outdoor entry, which is the old school entry, if people can remember that. It's just, the old staircase, and up you go. Yes miss, no miss, all that type of thing. Let's see how many people got the smack on the back side over here. Enter, it's been converted. You've got your little original hooks on the wall. So, for the hanging of your jackets and that, of the school. It's been, take a look at the conversion. How nice is this? How nice is this? You look out onto your deck. There's no reason to go outside. You can see quite easily. And how nice is all this? You've got your nice comfy chair, your table, chairs, kitchen in the corner, microwave, fridge, everything you need. The town's only a 5-minute drive away to get all the stuff that you need. Feels nice and warm in here. Got no heating or air conditioning on. It just seems to be a really nice temperature. You come around through this door into, there's a view out of your bedroom window, and you come around and there's your bed. So it's a pretty good setup. Very impressed, very happy. So if anybody comes up this way towards Warrnambool, I recommend staying outside Warrnambool. It's only about 10k out, and you've got these, there's your, shower overhead, basin, everything, not a problem. You turn around, your toilet's in the corner there, and it's so quiet. You're away from the traffic. You're only 10k from Warrnambool, 3k from the town of Koroit, and it's all to yourself. I think I'm going to really enjoy the night here. Stumpy, out. Welcome to the town of Koroit. That's the way you say it. Not large, but the best part of it, it's only 10k from Warrnambool, and it's quiet. It's got all the services that you need. Mechanic across the road. Of course, right at the start of the street, pub. So, not a bad way to start at all. It's called commercial, so everybody's got a commercial. Was it the Duke? Alright, Duke's Commercial Hotel. Want to get a kitchen built? Right across the road. Well, beauty parlour, good for the girls. Marriage stylist planner, been there, done that. Hello ladies. Hello. Thai restaurant across the road. I've been told it is very good. Actually, the locals are saying everything's good here, so who am I to argue? Of course, the local fish and chip shop coming up. Some of the locals. Izzy's restaurant. Later on. It's a nice Italian place. I'll probably get something like a pizza tonight at Alex's Pizza. That sounds more the go for me. How'd you like to live just here? Everything at your doorstep. Local supermarket, IGA, movie theatre across the road, and they're the best ones, the old-fashioned country movie theatres. I was told by a wise old man to look up at the roofs and you might see something funny. I'm not sure what he meant. But unless they've all been taken down, what he was talking about, can't see much. I have been told about this place, the brewery and distillery. I just pop in there for a drink. The old pictures. The best place of all, drug dispensary. I don't know, for just over 6.5 minutes, I've walked from one end of town to the other. That's it. This is a little gem to stay at because it's quiet, you're out of the way, and you're only 10k from Warrnambool. And you get a tractor here, but in the background, you can see there's a place called Bega. That's where I'm working tomorrow. How close is all this? Stumpy signing off. So we all got the Koroit pub across the road as well. And that's already got a heap of people outside having a nice afternoon ale. So, you know, you've got to have fun. Not much else to do up here, but you know, a little bit of drinking. Just out the back of Koroit town, up at Tower Hill, just out of the town centre. This is the view you get. It's only 2 minutes from town. This is a nice little village. It's very windy today over here, but you know, but anyhow, this is on a nice quiet day. Sailing down the bottom, surfing out on the rocks there, out of the ocean, whale watching. It's a nice little place to visit. Well, up at Koroit, Stumpy signing out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and all that crap that goes along with it. Back in Australia, back in Bali soon. Catch us all later. Bye.